Hey guys, what's up? It's Bhavish from Growth Magnet Studio. So in today's video, I'll be going over a hybrid AI system that can get you minimum of 30 to 50 appointments in the next 90 days. And I know like this sounds too good to be true, but we are using the exact same system for our clients. And I have a quick presentation for you guys that I've prepared. So I'll be just taking you over how everything looks like and how you can replicate it for like your own solar or home improvement business, right? It's going to be an exciting video, guys, because by the end of the day, let it be any business, we just need appointments. We have a marketing agency, guess what? We need appointments. Solar business, as a realtor, as a mortgage loan officer, as a roofing company, we need appointments. And this system is going to solve that problem. You will be getting minimum of 30 to 50 appointments in the next 90 days, right? So it's going to be like, a 3-month process, and how we have pretty much like structured it for our clients, and how you can also structure it for yourself, right? So before wasting any more time, guys, let's get straight into the video. So this is like the exact presentation that I've prepared for you guys. So guys, 30 to 50 appointments in the next 90 days with our hybrid AI scheduler system. Again, I'm not here to like pitch you guys or something, but I just want to show you what's possible and what's not possible. And I just want you guys to actually think about the potential this AI thing has, right? This AI system has, right? So 30 to 50 appointments in the next 90 days with this hybrid AI scheduler system, and it's guaranteed, guys. We have done this for like multiple clients, and guess what? We have gotten a lot of appointments for them, right? So let's talk about what is hybrid AI scheduler system and how it can potentially get you at least 30 to 50 appointments in the next 90 days. All right. So we have used the same system pretty much. Let me make this a bit smaller. Perfect. Yeah. So we have used the same system specifically for like Elite Solar in Utah. Matter of 4 days, we have booked 35 appointments for those guys. I know like this sounds too good to be true, but guys, this is the actual capability, the power of AI, right? And I guess like in the last few videos of mine, like I'm just talking about AI voice solutions, right? AI voice agents. And if you guys are still on the fence and you haven't actually implemented that for your business, guys, I hate to break it to you, it's already February when I'm going to publish this video. A lot of businesses has implemented this for their businesses, and if you haven't until now, guys, you're very very behind from your crowd at this point, right? So if you want to like ramp up things, go out there, like implement the system for your business ASAP. All right, so 35 appointments in matter of 4 days for Elite Solar. 35 appointments booked. Okay, yeah, 35 appointments booked. 152 of them said like I'm not interested, and we still need to follow with like couple of guys, like maybe 600 more leads, right? Another company we have worked with potentially in Texas, Alpha Solar. We have spent roughly $7,600 on Facebook ads. We have gotten around 38 appointments, and out of those 38 appointments, 21 appointments were booked using AI voice. All right, and if you want, you can take a look at how the leads looks like, and this is how much we have spent for these guys in Texas. Specifically, we are targeting Dallas, Lubbock, and Houston. All right, then again, another company, state to state solution in New Jersey and New York. 8 appointments on the first day, and first appointment in less than 10 minutes. Pause this video if you want to like read the screenshots and whatnot. Then yeah, pause the video. Perfect. So 4 discovery calls in a single day for on-site energy. Another solar company we are working with in New York, using the pretty much same system and getting them like new discovery calls booked on their calendar. So I'm sure like these guys are doing both virtual and in-person appointments, but by the end of the day, guys, regardless whether you're doing in-person appointments or virtual appointments, it doesn't matter. What matters is like you guys booking appointments, you guys like filling up your pipeline with qualified opportunities. Yeah, this is Jeremy from Virginia. 11 appointments in matter of 20 days. I guess I haven't updated it just yet. I guess we have booked like couple more appointments for Jeremy. Let me pull up his. So far we have booked at least 15-16 appointments for Jeremy in like less than, I would say, 25 days too so far. And Jake, I'll be talking about like who Jake is, and the AI is doing the magic. So as you can see, this is how the appointment looks like. So both homeowners will be available during the consultation, and here's the name, number, email, the address, brand new shingle roof, 150. They're paying with the monthly utility and whatnot. Now let's talk about, now you guys might be wondering, Bhavish, what this hybrid AI scheduler system is all about. We leverage AI voice agent, we leverage human agents, we leverage powerful AI backed CRMs, right? And I know like this sounds like pretty simple, but let me explain what I'm talking about. All right, so this is exactly how we would be implementing it for a business. And obviously guys, not here to pitch you or something, because this presentation I generally use in my sales calls. I use like pretty much the same presentation for my sales call, but again, I'm not here to pitch you or something. You can just like replicate or just do it yourself, whatever I'm just telling you. Just get the idea of what I'm trying to say here. That's like my whole objective of this video. All right, first things first guys, so let's talk about AI voice agent deployment. So what we are currently doing, we are implementing and deploying 3 AI agents for our clients. So agent one is Grace, who is going to call and reach out to all the leads that is coming through paid ads. Let it be Google, TikTok, Facebook, PPC ads, whatever, right? Second, Sabrina is going to call and confirm those appointments, just so like our clients has like less show up rate. Because I know like in sales we have a lot of like no shows, and it's kind of frustrating. It pesters me personally guys, like whenever I have calls and clients doesn't show up, it annoys me a lot, right? And just to avoid something like that, we will try to actually confirm all the calls in advance potentially, right? And Sabrina is going to be doing that for you guys. Agent 3 would be all about Adrian. Adrian is a guy, an AI voice agent, who is going to reschedule all your past no-shows. He is going to like reach out to like all your past leads that are still on the fence, just to get them rebooked on your calendar, if that makes sense. So these 3 agents combined is going to be handling booking the appointment and getting them rescheduled on your calendar, and also reaching out to your past leads. All right, now let's talk about human agent deployment. The reason I'm saying this is a hybrid model, because we are just not using AI here, we are also using human agents, right? Guys, by the end of the day, like I know like in the near future, later down the line in 2025, AI is going to get so much efficient, it's going to get so much fine-tuned, like it's actually going to sound like real humans. And I guess we are still there, like we can do that using the help of prompting, scripting. You can make them sound more realistic, but my whole point is like later down this year, things will get more realistic. So the voice agent that we are currently building, they will actually sound very very realistic without a lot of work, a lot of prompting and whatnot. Why? The reason is less latency. I'm building up like a new software, I would say like an AI voice platform, where my main objective is to get the latency less than 250 or 100 millisecond. And if that's done guys, I know like I'll be making ton shit of money, because I'll be getting a lot of funding, right? But by the end of the day, it's not easy, right? I can make it sound easy, but it's not easy. You have to realize that. And this is why this hybrid system works. And that's why, currently with the current scenario, the reason we have built this program specifically for our clients is currently the AI voice agents are doing a good job, but at the same time, we need some sort of human interaction, right? So what we are doing with the AI voice agents are actually making the first initiation, and they're contacting them, qualifying them and whatnot. Let's say if we get a qualified lead, right? And the lead has confirmed they have like 100 plus bells, 650 credit, homeowner, a good solid roof. Now what's going to happen? Now Jake is going to come in. Jake is like one of the best guys who books the appointment, as you guys can see. For Jeremy as well, like Jake has been booking all the appointments, and Jake has been working with us for almost 5 years now. He has ton share of experience booking solar appointments for our clients, or let it be any other industry, right? So now what's going to happen, Jake is going to recall that lead who is qualified with the help of the AI voice agent, and Jake is going to requalify that lead. Once Jake requalify that lead, now what's going to happen is Jake will try to build some sort of rapport, like human to human, one-on-one interaction. Once some rapport has been established, then Jake is going to be asking for like a quick time, like when are you free, like do you want to do virtual, do you want to do in person? Boom, we just booked an appointment. And on top of that, he's also going to oversee all the operations whatsoever, like regarding like the AI voice agent, the CRM, and how's everything looking like, right? And that's where like Jake comes in, and human agent deployment, and that's make this system hybrid. So pretty much for our clients, we also give out like a couple of bonuses. We also provide them warm cold calling AI agents, and a lot of our clients are actually doing cold calls as of now. They're averaging 67 appointments a day, and obviously we are just trying to stay under all the policies which is in the market. We are staying like TCPA compliant. All the leads that we have for our clients is TNC scrubbed. we are booking appointments. Clients are happy, we are happy. That's what matters by the end of the day, right? So you just need to provide us with the warm data, cold data, right? Potential, and we'll set up this warm and cold calling agent, right? Now just okay, I'll tell you about this later because that would make much more sense later on this video. Bonus 2 would be all about referral and review request agent. This particular agent would be reaching out to all your past customers, asking them for a feedback. If the feedback is a positive one, boom, we will ask them either for a referral or either for a review, whatever you want, right? You have to provide us like with the customer list potentially. All right, now almost done with the presentation. This video might be very short, I would say, first time, but yeah. So it's like a 3-month program, specifically what we're offering to our clients. I also want you to have like a similar expectation. If you're going to implement this by yourself, like give yourself a timeline of 3 months. What you gotta do is the first month would be all about reaching out to your past leads, rescheduling the no-shows, reaching out to all the people from the past that you have interacted with and they're still on the fence and they haven't got closed. The main objective of the first month is to get like the very first appointments just using your lead, just so you don't spend anything on ads or something, right? And this is the main thing, like that what like makes our offer different. We don't ask you to like start spending money from the first month itself. And obviously guys, it's not possible for everyone. The reason is because not everyone has like past data, past leads that we can potentially reach out to. If you have past leads, boom, you can like get those very first few appointments, right? Now let's talk about the second and the third month. This second and third month would be all about cold calling or maybe warm calling, whatever works for you. And we will be setting up Facebook ad campaigns specifically for our clients. I'm not talking about you guys, but yeah, we'll be doing that for our clients. And but you need to know like what I'm trying to say, all right? Then from second month, you can set up these AI voice agents specifically for cold calling, warm calling, review, referral, requesting agents. And on top of that, you will set up Facebook ads. Once this done, guys, I can tell you your appointment booking rate would be more than like 15 to 20%, whatever you currently have, right? So now Jake, Adrian, Sabrina, and 2 other AI agents would be doing the magic. They would be booking appointments on a calendar, right? And potentially like, again, this is like a full-fledged hybrid program, and we also provide like a CRM. Go high level it is, I'm sure like you guys have heard about it. We go like down the road and provide the best sub account with the automations, text automation, email automation, and whatnot. And this is how all the workflows look like. This is just a screenshot, by the way, guys. It's much more bigger than this, right? And this workflow like includes everything: text, email, and calling automation. So rest assured, it gets the best appointment booked. Right now, like I know like you guys want to hear like how you can implement this on your own, which I'll be talking about later down the line. And this is Spartan Energy. We have also spent like almost 200,000 for these guys. These are like few starts, and this is the result pretty much. So 30 to 50 appointments in the next 90 days, and we offer a refund. The reason I'm claiming like 30 to 50 appointments, because my team and I are personally more than confident, like because we can get you appointments, because that's how we have structured this program. The first month we'll be reaching out to past leads. Second and third month would be all about Facebook ads, cold calling, warm calling, or whatever to book your additional appointments. And we offer a money back, guys, because like in the solar industry, we have worked with a lot of prospects in the last 5 years, and they have this fear. Bhavish, what happens like if I don't get any results? John, don't worry about that. We offer a money back guarantee. Anyways, now this was the entire presentation, guys. Let's talk about how you can implement the same thing for your business. First, you have to figure out a platform for AI voice agents. Once you know how to do scripting, prompting, set up these AI agents whatsoever I mentioned in the video. Second, you should have go high level. The reason I'm saying high level, because guys, it has extensive workflows that you guys can potentially set up, automation and whatnot. So it's going to make it easier. So create a sub account and just try to set up all the automations. Go like extra mile, go that extra mile, and just try to set it up. Text automations, email automation, and whatnot. Once that done, then the next step would be figuring out Facebook ads, right? And Facebook ads, like what ads to run, how the copy should look like, right? And also you should be having like an appointment setter just to make this program hybrid for yourself. So AI is doing like main qualification for you guys. A human sitter is actually requalifying them, building some rapport, and then booking those appointments on a calendar, just to make these appointments like super qualified, guys. These are like double qualified appointments that are getting booked on a calendar, right? So this is how the entire program looks like, specifically for our clients. And if you want to do the exact same thing, guys, whatever I've just mentioned, start replicating for yourself. I know it's going to take like a bit time for you guys to actually implement this, because it's not going to be easy, because scripting, prompting, guys, tell me about it, it's like super arduous and tedious task. But let's say if you want to like skip all the like trial and error, all the guesswork and whatnot, you guys would be finding a link in the description. Schedule a call. Again, guys, this offer is not for everyone out there, only for the companies who are averaging at least 5 to 10 plus installs a month, specifically if I talk about solar. But if you're in any other industry, you should be averaging at least 5 to 10 sales in a month. But anyways, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and if you like the video, then pretty much, yeah, guys, just give it a thumbs up. And if you guys want me to prepare like an entire brief in-depth video all about how you can implement this same system for your business, just comment down and I'll try to create that video next week. Thank you so much, guys. You have a good day, and let's get this going, guys. Let's crush this. Bye bye.